Hello everyone, this video is about how to make a shapefile map using georeferenced image. If you haven't seen my video on georeferencing, please see the link given below. Now for making a shapefile map we need a georeferenced image. Let us do the task. This is a georeferenced image. Now we need a catalog box and arc toolbox. So go to catalog. Now in catalog, create the path you want to make a shapefile. New shapefile. Now we have to tick in feature type polygon. Give the name as I am writing is as shapefile map. Okay, now we have to give this coordinate system. Go to edit, import. Now import this Punjab Geo, same coordinate system. Add. Okay. We need an arc toolbox also. Now click on editor, start editing. Now click this button, create features, click this, click polygon. Now use this straight segment. Now let us do just first create the boundary by clicking this. Now we mark this boundary. You can fill as no color and give the boundary maroon or any other color. Now you can save edits. Now use cut polygon tools to create these states. Now this is one state. Similarly, create second state. Now all these states are being created. You can save edits, stop editing. Now just remove this. See, this is the shapefile of the states. Now just fill in the details. Click on attribute table for filling. First then add field, then you can create name of districts. Sorry, it is a map of Punjab state. Now these divisions are districts, so I'm writing name of districts, create as text. Okay, now to fill in the details, you can click editor. First of all, yes, click editor, start editing. You can click this. This is this state. Its name is Gurdaspur, right? Gurdaspur. Similarly, write the similarly write the name of another districts by clicking this button and on this division. This is Amritsar. I'm writing it as Amritsar. Similarly, do for all the districts. I think almost all the districts are mentioned. Now save edits, stop editing. Oh yes, this is left. I think this is because of error, so you can think 1 minute, you can delete this also. Now save edits, stop editing. Now this is the shapefile map. You can name the features also, name the districts by going to properties, labels, name of districts, apply, okay, label features. Now this is the map. You can give color also by going into the properties symbology. Thank you all for watching this video.